U.S. School Chemistry Fundamentals Quiz 12. Question 1. Which gas is used in the Haber process? A. Oxygen and hydrogen. B. Nitrogen and hydrogen. C. Nitrogen and oxygen. D. Carbon and hydrogen. Answer: B. Nitrogen and hydrogen. Question 2. What is the common name for calcium oxide? A. Quicklime. B. Slaked lime. C. Limestone. D. Gypsum. Answer: A. Quicklime. Question 3. Which element is used in photocopy machines? A. Silicon. B. Tellurium. C. Germanium. D. Selenium. Answer: D. Selenium. Question 4. What is the chemical formula for sulfuric acid? A. H2SO3. B. H2SO4. C. HSO4. D. H3SO4. Answer: B. H2SO4. Question 5. Which metal does not corrode in air? A. Iron. B. Copper. C. Gold. D. Aluminum. Answer: C. Gold. Question 6. What is the pH of a neutral solution? A. 0. B. 7. C. 14. D. 10. Answer: B. 7. Question 7. Which element is essential for blood oxygenation? A. Carbon. B. Nitrogen. C. Oxygen. D. Iron. Answer: D. Iron. Question 8. What is the chemical formula for carbon dioxide? A. CO. B. CO2. C. C2O. D. C2O2. Answer: B. CO2. Question 9. Which scientist proposed the atomic theory? A. John Dalton. B. Democritus. C. Aristotle. D. Lavoisier. Answer: A. John Dalton. Question 10. What is the main ore of aluminum? A. Bauxite. B. Hematite. C. Magnetite. D. Galena. Answer: A. Bauxite. If you got this 10 right too, you're a chemistry genius. Don't forget to subscribe and comment for more challenges.